In this video, I explain how to create random variables in SPSS. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start. First click on variable view because we need some data to create random variables. So write variable name. I write variable name data. Now go to data view. Here is the data and type your data. I type 1 to 10 for simplification. So 1 to 10 is our data set and we want to generate random numbers. So go to the option transform. Click on transform. At first number, write compute variable. Click on compute variable. Here write the variable name of your random variables. I write random underscore variable. In target variable, you write the name of your random variables, random underscore variable. Now in function group, on right side here is function group. You select your function. Because we perform random variable, here are the random numbers. Select random numbers because we perform random variables. So select your required function random numbers. Here are the different categories of random number with beta, with Cauchy distribution, exponential, F, gamma. I hit random variable uniform. Here is its description. Uniform minimum and maximum value. Numeric return a random value of uniform distribution. In this random variable, we perform random variables with uniform distribution, and for uniform distribution, we need minimum and maximum value of our data set. So random variable dot uniform, drag this option into numeric expression. Here question sign. First question sign is minimum value as explained in the description. So our data set has minimum value 1 and maximum value 10. So minimum and maximum value. Hit on OK. Here your random variable generate. Name of random variable that you write in target variable, random underscore variable. And these are the random variables. But these random variables are present in decimal form. If you want your random variables in whole numbers, then go to transform, click in compute variable at first number. Here go to function group, click on all. Erase this numeric expression. Trunc command, search trunc command here. Trunc command remove decimal numbers and you remain with your whole data. Here is trunc command. Drag this in numeric expression because we perform this. Trunc, we want to trunc random underscore variable. This is our random underscore variable. We want to trunc this because we want these numbers in whole form. So write here random underscore random underscore variable, and in target variable change your variable name. I write here random underscore variable 1. Click on OK. This command is also executed, and here your random numbers are in integer, are in whole numbers, means integer shape. We perform these random we generate these random numbers with the help of uniform distribution. Now we perform the similar procedure with normal distribution. So click on transform, compute variable, random underscore variable 2. I change here variable name random underscore variable 2 because we change distribution now. Here, because we perform randomization, so search random numbers. Here are the random numbers. When you click on random numbers, here you are all types of random numbers. We want to calculate normal distribution. For normal distributions, first remove this expression and now drag normal distribution I calculate mean and standard deviation of this data set. Here you see the description normal, mean and standard deviation. You write here mean at first question mark because at first position here in description is mean and second position is standard deviation. For your data set you calculate your mean and standard deviation. Its mean is 5.5 and standard deviation is 3.02. Okay. This command is also executed. Here are the random variables with normal distribution and these are the random variables with uniform distribution. And you have lot of options like random variables of Cauchy distribution, Poisson distribution. You can calculate according to your choice. If you want to convert these numbers in whole numbers, use similar procedure as we done with the uniform distribution. If you want to see videos on Euclidean distance with SPSS, Z-score with SPSS, and how to calculate random numbers in Microsoft Excel, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.